What's going on, guys? MixedSid here, back again for another cocktail video. As it's going to be the last one that I do with Prime, as I'm interested, how will Prime go with vodka? So it's only right to use XIX or Cinnamon vodka, use the vodka and combine the two, just to see what the tastes like, Prime and vodka together or Prime vodka. So to make it, it's simple really, get your rocks glass and fill it with ice. $60ml or 2 ounces of XIX vodka. You can use 1 ounce if you want to use vodka, but I've always preferred 2 parts, especially like rum or vodka based cocktails. Last but not least, just fill it up with Prime. Again, I'm using a tropical punch. So again, this will be about 4 ounces or 120ml of Prime. And there we have it, ladies and gentlemen, 1 Prime vodka. How does it taste? It's alright. I think I prefer the Prime with rum like that. I think it worked better with the rum, especially dark rum. Yeah. I don't think the tropical punch is the right one to use with the vodka. I think it's the wrong flavour. I think it's a wrong flavoured Prime to use for this. I'd give it a very average 5 out of 10. It's not something I highly recommend at all, this one. It's alright, it's drinkable, but it's nothing fantastic. Doesn't get the pulse racing, this one. But as promised, that is the last of the Prime cocktail videos now. So we've been trying a different one, see what works best, and I think my answer so far is a rum works best with the Prime Tropical Punch, as that's the only one I'll be able to get my hand on. So as you can see, guys, we're filming from a new location, because in our usual spot now, as it is a little bit bland at the minute, as we are just decorating the bar, getting it ready. As I will show you the Christmas lights, even though you can't see it right now, I'll show you now what it looks like from a distance. So it's looking a little bit blurred, but there it is from a distance, as you can see, as we zoomed out now. There is the Christmas lights. It looks a lot more festive, as that brings towards now. So that brings us now into the month of December, so that only means one thing, ladies and gentlemen. It is Christmas cocktail time. My favourite part of the year. I absolutely love December, just love Christmas time. Always have, always will. As to kick off the Christmas series, guys, I will be doing the Winter Sour, as that will be my Christmas cocktail to kick off the series now. So, any recommendation, guys, for Christmas cocktails, do let me know in the comments below. So I want to hear from you guys. Any good recommendations, I'll be happy to make them. Just let me know. But that, guys, has been the Prime and Vodka. Don't forget to like and subscribe to MixedSid for more cocktails like this, for more Christmas cocktails, as we're on the road to 2K before the year is out. I know that's a massive ask, but can we do it, as we are 280 subscribers short? Can we have the biggest month on this channel yet to date? Let's make that happen. Let's see how we get on before 2023. But I've been MixedSid, and I will see you guys for the Winter Sour. Have a nice day. Cheers.